Good morning, all of you. Today we'll do chemical properties of carbon compound. In chemical properties of carbon compound, we will do addition reaction.
Got it.
Reaction. So, addition reaction. Addition means something will be added but nothing will be deleted. So in addition reaction is mainly the properties or characteristics of what unsaturated hydrocarbon. Mainly this will be shown by whom? By unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay? Unsaturated hydrocarbon is going to show addition reaction. So addition of hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? There may be the addition of hydrogen, chlorine or bromine. It will take place always in the presence of what? In presence of catalyst. In presence of a catalyst. Like what? Like nickel, platinum or palladium. Okay, nickel, platinum or palladium. They are going to act here as a catalyst which is going to accelerate or enhance the rate of the reaction. The reaction will be carried out very fastly. And addition of hydrogen, if addition of hydrogen is taking place, then it is called what? Hydrogenation. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Hydrogenation. If chlorine is taking place, then it will be called chlorination. If bromine is taking place, then it will be called as what? Bromination. ठीक है? तीन टर्म आपको याद रहेगा. हाइड्रोजनेशन, एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, क्लोरीनेशन, addition of chlorine, bromination, addition of bromine. Okay, class? Is it okay to one and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is addition reaction? A reaction in which unsaturated hydrocarbon, what is added? Any atom or group of atom is added in presence of a catalyst to form what? Saturated hydrocarbon. क्या बनेगा? अगर हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो रहा है तब किस चीज का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा? सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा. If chlorine and bromine will be formed, then different products will be formed. But if hydrogen is being added to unsaturated hydrocarbon, then they are going to form what? They are going to form saturated hydrocarbon. So unsaturated hydrocarbon plus H2 in presence of nickel on heating will give you what? Will give you saturated hydrocarbon. Is the point clear to all? Is this thing clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Addition of hydrogen हो रहा है in presence of a nickel catalyst on heating. What ultimately we are going to get? We are ultimately going to get saturated hydrocarbon. For example, and when it is taking place in the presence of a catalyst, then it is called catalytic hydrogenation. आपको एक और टर्म क्या मिला है? कैटालिटिक. ये टर्म भी आपने बुक में देखा होगा, कैटालिटिक hydrogenation. So what is the catalytic hydrogenation? Catalytic hydrogenation क्या है यहाँ पे? Nothing different. Only when hydrogenation is taking place in presence of a catalyst, then it is called what? Catalytic hydrogenation. Okay to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen to unsaturated hydrocarbon is taking place in a catalyst, in the presence of a catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium. Then it is called what? To form saturated hydrocarbon is called what? Catalytic hydrogenation. Okay to all? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
अब देखो यहाँ पे एग्जांपल अब ले रहे हैं CH, ठीक है? ये क्या दिख रहा है आपको बोर्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या मिलेगा? What are we going to get? We are going to get CH3, ठीक है? ये था इथीन, ये बन गया है इथेन. By adding 2 hydrogen, it has become ethane. Now, how it has been done? How it has been done? See what has happened. Let us make the electron dot structure. यहाँ पे बनाते हैं electron dot structure. इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? दिख रहा है आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिख रहा है? So when this hydrogen will go this side and this hydrogen will go move this side, so what is going to happen? ठीक है?
अरे इसको इस पे पहले से
Is it okay, everybody? Through electron
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
taking place. Is it clear to one and all? तो ये था unsaturated, ये था आपका इथीन. This was your ethene. Now what you have got? You have got ethane. What you have got? You have got ethane. Now suppose if you are doing the reaction of ethyne, all of you have noted it. Have you noted it down?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
All of you have noted. 5
Yes,
minutes
ma'am.
before the class ends, I will see your notebook, whether you are noting the things or not. So I must rub it. ठीक है? अब suppose I am taking ethyne. What is ethyne? This is ethyne. This is ethyne. So if I will take H2, यहाँ पे लिख लो nickel और hetane. Okay, don't leave the catalyst. If I write H2, then what are we going to get there? What are we going to get? This is ethyne. क्या मिलेगा बताइए? What are we going to get? Ethyne से क्या बनेगा? Ethyne से क्या बनेगा? जब यहाँ पर 2 हाइड्रोजन आपके ऐड होगा तो ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड किस चीज में चेंज हो जाएगा? Tell me. It has to make bond now. This hydrogen, when it will add to carbon, then one of the electron will move this side. One pair of electron is going to move this side. What's going to happen? ठीक है, इस तरह से बनेगा. ठीक है ना? ये क्या बन गया? ये बन इथीन से हम इथेन बना सकते हैं? बोलो, if the question comes convert ethyne into ethane, can you do it? Can you do it, class? Raise your hand if you can do it. Nobody. Please interact with me, class. What does rancidity means? What is an
And when fats and oils are oxidized.
hydrogenation of vegetable oil? Why are we doing the hydrogenation of vegetable oil? Hydrogenation means what? Addition of hydrogen. तो obviously ये जो vegetable oil है वो किस फॉर्म में है? लिक्विड के फॉर्म में है और उसका हाइड्रोजिनेशन किया जा रहा है टू मेक इट व्हाट? वेजिटेबल घी। वेजिटेबल ऑयल को किस फॉर्म में लाना है? वेजिटेबल घी के फॉर्म में लाना है। Oil is what? Liquid in form and ghee is always a solid form. इतना कंसेप्ट तो आप समझ रहे होंगे क्लास? हेलो, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
The question here is that why vegetable oil is hydrogenated? The reason is that vegetable oil get rancid in hot and humid climate. Okay, since they get rancid in hot and humid climate, so they are hydrogenated to prevent what? To prevent the rancidity. What is rancidity? Anyone? Anyone? कोई बताएगा? चैप्टर 1 of class 10th. Chapter 1 of class 10th.
Oxidation of fat and
This is a kind of oxidation process. This is a kind of what? Oxidation process. ठीक है? तो ऑक्सीडेशन होने के कारण जो है इसका स्मेल जो है और टेस्ट जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है. Because of the aerial oxidation of the vegetable oil, they become what? Rancid. The smell and taste of the oil become unpleasant. So in order to get rid of rancidity, what is being done? Hydrogenation of vegetable oil is done. To change it into what? To change it into vegetable ghee. किस चीज में कन्वर्ट करना है? तो वेजिटेबल घी में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है? इससे क्या होगा? वेजिटेबल घी में कन्वर्ट होने का मतलब क्या है कि नंबर ऑफ जो अनसैचुरेटेड चेन होगा दैट इज गोइंग टू डिक्रीज. Number of unsaturated carbon chain is going to decrease and then they are going to convert into what? Saturated chain of carbon. And when they will get converted into saturated chain of carbon, then the problem of rancidity is going to what? Be removed. ठीक है? तो पहले लिखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Note it down. Vegetable oil. Is everybody writing? Vegetable oil get rancid.
Yes, ma'am.
लिखो. Vegetable oil get rancid when they are exposed to hot and humid climate. Next point, hydrogenation reduces the number of such unsaturated carbon chain. Reduces the number of unsaturated carbon chains and slow down the development of rancidity and slows down the development of rancidity. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखो, वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स आर गुड फॉर हेल्थ. Now earlier people used to use what, dalda. Again repeat first line. Oh, क्या था first line? Anybody please read it out. Omi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read out what I have dictated you. Please read out what I have dictated you again.
Vegetable oils get rancid when they are exposed to hot and humid climate.
पूरा पढ़ो.
Hydrogen reduces the number of unsaturated hydrogenation reduces the number of unsaturated carbon chains and slow down the development of rancidity. Vegetable oils are good for health.
Now, vegetable oil is good for health. Okay, heading क्या है? Vegetable oil is good for health. Why we opted for vegetable oil? Isn't it? We converted to vegetable oil now. Nowadays, how many people are using dalda at home? किसी के घर में डालडा मिलता है? किचन में है डालडा?
No.
Nobody's
No, ma'am.
kitchen is having dalda. Now everybody is using what? Refined oil. Everybody is using refined oil now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why they are using refined oil? Because you might have seen that when you use dalda, when the temperature is high, when it is put to high temperature, it changes into liquid form. But when during the cold season, it becomes very hard. It gets converted into the form of what? Solid. And these solid get sticks to what? They get sticks to the walls of the arteries. ये सब कहाँ जाके जम जाते हैं? Arteries के wall में जाकर के stick हो जाते हैं and causes heart diseases. Causes heart diseases. Okay, class?
Yes, ma'am.
लोग शायद
Yes.
देखे नहीं है डालडा, जिसने देखा है वो इस चीज को समझ सकता है. I have seen, so I know that it was very tough to use dalda during the cold season because it freezes, really freezes. It becomes very hard, and knife is being used to cut down that dalda. लेकिन वही अगर कंपेयर करें हम वेजिटेबल ऑयल को, तो वेजिटेबल ऑयल इज इन ए लिक्विड फॉर्म, वो कभी जमता नहीं है, इसलिए उसका इनटेक जो है वो ज्यादा बेटर है एज कंपेयर टू दैट ऑफ वेजिटेबल घी. ओके, सो लिखो सैचुरेटेड vegetable ghee. Write down vegetable ghee contains saturated fat. Contain saturated fat which increases the level Is everybody there?
Yes,
Ask
ma'am.
me data. So what I was telling, vegetable ghee contains saturated fat which increases the level of bad cholesterol, which increases the level of bad cholesterol in blood, which sticks to the walls of the arteries, and causes heart diseases. On the other hand, vegetable oil contain unsaturated fat which is good for our health. Unsaturated fat which is good for our health. Okay to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो पॉइंट इज क्लियर ना? पॉइंट सबको क्लियर हो गया है? सैचुरेटेड का मतलब ऐसे भी क्या होता है? जमा हुआ। ठीक है, सैचुरेटेड का मतलब क्या होता है? जमा हुआ। तो अनसैचुरेटेड क्या होगा? जो जमा हुआ नहीं है, लिक्विड के फॉर्म में है। और हम लोग देखते भी हैं जो रिफाइंड ऑयल हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं वो किस फॉर्म में है? लिक्विड के फॉर्म में है। But that one is also very harmful. It also not very good. Nowadays it has come to the notice. Apart from your book we are talking. This you will not consider whatever. Wait. So now we are going to write that addition of bromine. So what is going to happen if bromine will be added? If bromine will be added in presence of bromination की बात कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर क्या हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? Bromination. Addition of bromine is called what? Bromination. तो अगर हम ले रहे हैं C double bond C plus Br2 in presence of what? CCl4. Okay, CCl4 is taken. Then what will happen if it is dissolved in CCl4? Then what are you going to get? चलो इसका नाम बताओ, तो क्या नाम हो जाएगा इसका? कोई बताएगा इसका नाम? Can anyone tell me the name? Bromine is reddish brown in color. All of you know what is the color of bromine?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the color?
Ma'am, reddish brown.
Reddish brown या फिर इसको कभी-कभी बुक में देखोगे ऑरेंज कलर भी लिखा हुआ रहेगा। ये क्या होता है? ये होता है कलरलेस। ये क्या होता है? ये होता है कलरलेस। ब्रोमीन होता है रेडिश ब्राउन। So what is going to happen? What will be formed? What is to be formed? Tell me. क्या बनेगा? यहाँ पे ये जो बना है इसका नाम क्या होगा? What will be the name of this compound? Please hurry up. कोई नहीं बताएगा? क्या बोलेंगे? अगर मान लो सिर्फ ये रहेगा तो क्या बोलेंगे? बोलो, किस पोजीशन पे है? कौन से पोजीशन पे है ये? ब्रोमीन कौन-कौन से पोजीशन पे है? Now nobody is responding. ये 1 पोजीशन पे, सेकंड पोजीशन है, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 1,2 डाई ब्रोमो इथेन। ये लिख सकते हैं 1,2 डाई क्लोरो इथेन। और ये कैसा होगा? ये होगा कलरलेस। ये कैसे कलर का होगा? तो ये हो जाएगा कलरलेस। And this is used to test unsaturation. This reaction is used to test what? Test unsaturation. First of all, note down the reaction.
Ma'am, board is not clear.
Board is not clear. ठीक है? Now is it clear? Class? ठीक है? All of you have noted down the reaction?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Unsaturation. रिएक्शन लिखने के बाद लिखो this reaction is used to test unsaturation. That is unsaturated compound such as ethene and ethyne can be distinguished from saturated compounds such as ethane. Means bromine is going to decolorize in unsaturated but not in saturated. Bromine is going to decolorize in unsaturated but not in saturated. Okay, everybody? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today. One topic, substitution reaction, is left that we will do tomorrow. I hope everything is clear to you.